PaolaJo from SederQuilts with a Quick Tip Tuesday. Once you have your design created to about the size that you want with your repeats, and hint here, a tad too small is always better than too big. You mark your actual area of your sashing on a diagonal, and we are going to rotate this as a group, align it to the center, and then you can either resize it till it fits just right, or you can skew it till it fits just right, and or you can change it other ways. But yes, it's very easy to stitch out things in a diagonal with your area marked for your sashing. If you'd like more information than that, contact me, PaolaJo at SederQuilts.com. I have classes online, very short and affordable, or we can do tutor time. It's quick and easy and it's live. You can ask all the questions you want. So go to SederQuilts.com. See you soon. Toodaloo. Enjoy your quilting.